doing a plain sew. We are running this one at 4 stitches per inch. PV pedestal with the DS9C sewing head with the built-in cutter with this new long CM 4900 power end feed with bag top trimmer and 2.5-inch folder for 2.5-inch tape. This will trim the top of the bag, fold the tape over it, and sew at the same time. Okay. Here's what the back of the bag looks like where it's sewn. The double lock stitch. Pedestal with the DS9C sewing head with the built-in cutter. This is a CP 4900 fold-over end feed for polywoven bags. It will fold the top of it over and sew it to keep the product from sifting out of the top of it. What we have is a fold-over closure that's going to seal the product from sifting out the top of the bag. DS9C sewing head with the built-in cutter and a CP 4900 without a folder plain sew end feed. And we'll drop the bag off. Start it in. With the Fishbine 100 sewing head, the sewing head will run up to 1800 RPM at 2.5 stitches per inch at 60 feet per minute. We have the Fishbine 4380 power end feed feeding the bag into the sewing head. This one has an air thread pusher. Pushes the thread back into the knife for positive cutoff. And it's all operated by the bag bitting. Scale, form adjusted.